everyone, this is V with Timeless Elegance Design. I hope I'm finding everyone doing well today and staying safe. Today I'm bringing you another tablescape. It is called Take Me to Paris. It is hosted by Diva Dynasty. And our host for today is Miss Geraldine with Diva Decorating. Our co-host is Tammy with Me, Myself, and DIY It. Cynthia with Cynthia Shesobless. Miss Alberta with Mysterious Alberta. And Lynn with Lynn's Lifestyle Living. Once you finish viewing my channel, please go over and view all these beautiful ladies' channel, as well as all the participants' channel. I will leave their links all down in the description box, as well as a playlist. So, let me take you to Paris. Our challenge today was to decorate our table as if we were in Paris. And the only rule we had was to have a hint of pink and the Eiffel Tower. And I have the Eiffel Tower in all of my pillows. So now I will just not talk anymore and just let you look at my table. Table, and please don't forget to go over and view all the other participants as well as the host channels. And thank you so much, and I will see you on the next video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.